Welcome to my channel. IIT Foundation Maths for 6th class. Chapter 3 Fractions and Decimals. Part 11. Exercise 28th problem. 120 by 25 is equal to dash. 4 options were given. These are in uh, decimal form. So if you want to convert a fraction into a decimal form, we have to convert the denominator into a multiple of 10, 10, 100, 1000, like that. So here is 25. Therefore, if we multiply it by 4, we get 100. Then we can easily convert the fraction into a decimal number. So if you want to multiply it by 4, we have to multiply the numerator also by 4 so that the value doesn't change. Therefore, 120 by 25 can be written as 120 into 4 by 25 into 4. That is equal to 12 fours 48 and 0, 25 fours 100. When there is 100 in the denominator, a decimal point is kept after 2 digits from right to left. So 4.80 or simply 4.8, as this 0 has no value. So here option B is correct. 120 by 25 is equal to 4.8. So next problem, 29th, 1.36 is equal to dash. 4 options were given, and in all the 4 options the denominator is equal to 25. Therefore, let us say 1.36 can be converted into a decimal fraction like this. Remove the decimal 136 and divide it by 100. 2 zeros after 1, because there are 2 digits after decimal point. We have to put 2 zeros after 1. Therefore, this is equal, this decimal number is equal to 136 by 100. But we want 25 in the denominator. So let us divide both numerator and denominator by 4. 4 25s. 4 3s 12. 4 4s 16. Therefore, this is equal to 34 by 25. 34 by 25. Option D is correct. Next problem, 18 minus 13.169, subtraction. So we have to 18, 13.169. 18 means 18.0. 18, instead of 18 we can put 18.000. There is no value for these zeros, but for our convenience we will write like this. If we take 1 from here to here, it becomes 10. If we take 1 from here, it becomes 10 and it will be 9. And if we take 1 here, it becomes 9, it will be 9. So 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 1, 8. And here 7 will be there as we take away 1. 7 minus 3, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. Therefore, 4.831. 18 minus 13.169 is equal to 4.831. Option B is correct. Next, 37.23 divided by 10. This is a division. 37.23 divided by 10 means by 10. So, as there is 1 0 after 10 in the denominator, we have to move one place to right to left. Therefore, 3.723. This is 3.723. Option B is correct. Next one, 1.608 divided by 1.34. This is a division. 1.608 can be written as remove the decimal, we get 1608 by 1 and 3 zeros. As there are 3 digits after decimal, we have to put 1000. Similarly, 1.34 is equal to 134 by 100. So 1.608 divided by 1.34 is equal to 1608 by 1000 divided by 134 by 1000. That is equal to 1608 by 1000 into reciprocal of 134 by 100, 134. So 100 tens. So 1608 divided by 134 into 10. We will do first these two. This is equal to 2 6 12 2 7 14 2 8 16 0 2 4 12 12 67 12 is equal to 804. Therefore 67 ones 67 12s. Therefore 12 by 10 is 1.4. So this is option C is correct.